In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to create Telegram channel without phone number. So first of all, you have to add your country here. Now you have to add your phone number here. But in this case, you won't have any phone number. So now what you need to do is you have to come back to your home screen. Now you have to open your browser, any browser which you can use. After that, here you have to click on search option and search temporary number. Now you have to click any website. As you can see, I am clicking on this website. After that, you have to scroll down here and select your country. Let's say I am selecting USA and select this number. After that, you have to click on this copy option and copy this number, and you have to paste number here. Now you have to remove one in a front of number because one is a country code, and country code we are already added. So after that, you have to click on here, and now your OTP come in your website. So OTP you can see here, that as you can see OTP is coming here, and that's how you can create Telegram channel without phone number and using this temporary number again and again. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.